This is the diagram of invitation card. We have to take 10 centimeter radius, and with the help of the rounder we have to draw the circle. And after drawing the circle you have to cut it. After cutting the circle you have to fold that circle in a half. So you get the middle guideline. Up till the middle guideline you have to fold right side, left side, up side and down side, and draw that lines where I am giving in the diagram A, B, C name and 1, 2, 3. So you have to draw the triangle ABC and one another triangle 1, 2, 3. While drawing this triangle you get the star shape. Now while drawing the star shape, the hexagon inside, that hexagon dotted line I am giving, that you have to fold inside, and another dotted line and shown that I written there, fold it outside. So while folding this two triangle inside, automatically the outside portion came out only, and that you have to fold like a flower petal. Same you have to fold all sides and you will get the invitation card. For making invitation card, we need card paper, scale, pencil, rounder, eraser and scissor. Now take 10 centimeter radius and draw the circle. If you want big, then take the radius big. Here I am taking 10 centimeter. Now after draw the circle and start to cut. Use scissor properly. Take the precaution while cutting. You can take any printed paper or color paper. Here we complete our circle. Now after cutting circle, fold this circle in a half. Fold the circle in a half. We got here guideline. Yes, after folding this guideline, up till this guideline we have to fold this down portion and up one up till the middle guideline. Yes, see again. First we fold the circle in a half, so we get the middle guideline. Up till the middle guideline we fold the down and up side. Same we have to repeat on another side. Means again you have to be fold this one in half. So again we got here middle guideline. Now up till the middle guideline we have to fold this again in a half. Now here, after all completed our cuttings, we give the name here A, B and C. 1, 2 and 3. Now we draw the triangle A, B, C and 1, 2, 3. Okay. So after drawing this triangle, we get the star. See here, you can see the star shape. Yes. Now see properly where I am giving the dotted line. See here where I am giving the dotted line. See inside this triangle, this hexagon, this dotted line we have to fold inside. Yes, you can see this hexagon. Yes. Now see this outside portion, remaining portion, this center point you can see. From here we have to draw the again dotted line, and this dotted line we have to fold outside. This dotted line we have to fold outside. Now pay attention how to fold. Use the scale while folding. Now see here, this only I am folding first hexagon. So after all this dotted line, we have to fold it properly. Only I am folding this only portion. See here, only this triangle portion I am folding. See here, all hexagon shape we have to fold with the help of the scale. See, while folding this, take care. See, the dotted line will come outside automatically. See, this hexagon which we fold with the help of the scale. While folding this corner, take care. See here, this wheel petal is coming out. Yes, same from this side. like this way we have to fold all this triangle inside and this dotted line is outside. Now this is the last one. Match this petal properly and fold like this way. Here we completed our invitation card. See, now how to open this like this way. Yes, here inside this hexagon shape we have to got it. This triangle we have to fold. See, this triangle we have to fold inside. All triangle while folding inside, this middle portion is coming out. After this all petal you have to match it together and fold like this way, one by one. Yes, like a flower shape you can got here, and decorate here some design or with the bindi or kundan. You have to decorate and see back side this hexagon shape. Here you can take another paper and draw this outline. Suppose this is our remaining portion, we can draw the hexagon outline like this way. This hexagon shape. This hexagon shape we got. This we have to cut and put it here inside. And here we have to write the message or invitation card or venue. What that invitation we have to write, that we have to write here with the shining pen or red pen or ink. You have to write here all matter and put it inside this cutting, or you can write directly inside and close this. How to open this? Only just you have to pull this out. Okay, like this way. Here we completed our invitation card. You have to decorate here this border, or you can give any design.